8 ways to relieve stomach bloating. Feeling bloated is one of the quickest ways to ruin a wonderful dinner. When you overeat, have too much gas in your stomach or intestines, or are constipated, you will have a heavy, uncomfortable feeling in your belly. If you have temporary bloating, use these natural solutions to feel better quickly and avoid it from recurring again. 1. Drink more water. More fluids may not sound appealing when your stomach is already swollen, but it's one of the best things you can do when you're bloated. Carbonated beverages, such as soda or sparkling water, can make you gassy, so stick to plain water instead. To calculate how much water you should be drinking, simply divide your weight in pounds by half. This is the approximate number of ounces of fluids you should drink each day. Lemon water, which is a natural diuretic, may be the greatest bloating cure of all. 2. Walk after you eat. In fact, taking a stroll after a meal lowers the time it takes for food to pass through your stomach. Any sort of activity helps start the digestion process, which can help you feel less bloated. 3. Decrease your sodium intake. When you eat too much salt, your kidneys can't keep up with flushing it all out, so sodium builds up in your body. As a result, your stomach feels full and bloated. Although drinking plenty of water will assist the transport of salt out of your system, you should still keep your sodium intake to a minimum. That involves not just putting your salt shaker away, but also keeping an eye on your sodium consumption from sources like packaged and quick foods. 4. Increase your potassium. Potassium aids in the regulation of salt levels in the blood. Potassium can assist your body in eliminating excess sodium. Although bananas are the most well-known potassium source, they aren't the only one. Lima beans, tuna, potatoes, and other potassium-rich foods can also help you meet your daily requirement. 5. Be careful with dairy. Lactase, an enzyme that aids in the digestion of the dairy sugar lactose in the digestive system, can be lost as people age. Within 30 minutes to 2 hours after ingesting dairy, lactose intolerance can cause GI symptoms such as stomach discomfort, bloating, gas, nausea, or diarrhea. So, if you're experiencing any of these symptoms, it's advisable to cut back and see if they go away. 6. Quit sucking in extra air. You're sucking in air every time you eat, drink, or speak. That's natural, but some seemingly innocent activities might cause you to swallow more air than usual, increasing the quantity of gas in your digestive tract and making you feel bloated. Chewing gum, drinking from a water bottle, and sipping from a straw are all significant offenders. Drop the gum and go for an open-mouth cup instead of a bottle or straw. 7. Take a probiotic. Probiotics, or good bacteria, assist you maintain the balance of trillions of microorganisms in your gut, which might help you avoid digestive issues like bloating. Probiotics can be found in foods like yogurt, sauerkraut, and kefir, or they can be purchased as supplements. There are a variety of probiotic strains available in natural foods and supplements, each with its own set of benefits for various people. 8. Add fiber gradually. A fiber-rich diet bulks up your stool, allowing waste to pass through your digestive tract more quickly. This prevents constipation, which is a primary cause of bloating and sluggishness. The answer isn't to increase your fiber intake all at once. Begin by increasing your intake by 2 grams each day, the amount in a piece of whole wheat bread, until you meet your daily limit. Be sure to like and subscribe to get more videos like this one.